Hello guys, welcome to Amith.Thoughts. In this video, we will see how we can easily create a database in MySQL. Let's start. On search box CMD and click open. On typing MySQL -version and press enter. MySQL version 8.046 installation and continue type MySQL space -u space root space -p, press enter. Password enter and press enter. On type show space database, show databases and semicolon and press enter. Not a database, create new database, create database and space database name amitdb, semicolon and press enter. So databases and press enter. It Amith database create. Use amithdb, semicolon and press enter. Hello guys, in this video how we can easily create a new database in MySQL. It's very easy. You have to use the create database command from, and thank you for watching.